The inside of this vehicle is a horrendous mess. Starting on the pre-wash rinse now, and it didn't take long for most of the snow on the vehicle to melt once it was inside my heated garage, and it looks like the exterior isn't looking too bad, so I should be able to move through this step pretty quick today. And I also wanted to let you know that I was able to record the owner's reaction to seeing their transformed vehicle, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video to catch that. Now, knowing this vehicle drives on a lot of gravel roads, it's going to be imperative to spray out all the crevices really well, as they're going to be full of dirt. Okay, so I was told when the vehicle was dropped off that the hatch won't stay open on its own, so the owner uses a hockey stick to prop it open. That's a pretty Canadian solution if you ask me, so I'll get it propped open and then very carefully spray out the tailgate jam here, as it was full of dirt. Now, since the front bumper was covered in bug guts, I'm going to get some bug remover sprayed on before I foam the vehicle, so that way it will dissolve those bug guts and make removing them with my wash mitt much easier. Starting on the floor mats, and I did manage to find this one underneath the pile of garbage, so the process to get them clean is pretty easy. Spray on a liberal amount of carpet solution, hit them with my green drill brush, and then just blast them clean with the pressure washer. And if you guys are curious, yes, I do extract the remaining water out of the mats later on when I do the rest of the vehicle, and I also give them a final vacuum before they get put back in, so that way they're perfect when the owner picks the vehicle up. Alright, well, it's time to get to work on the huge job that this interior is going to be, and before I can do anything, I need to get the front seats removed, and when I do, you can see there was quite a bit more garbage and dog hair hiding underneath. Then I'll quickly get all the garbage and personal items removed. Now, after taking a quick look under the back seats, I knew they needed to come out, so another quick 8 bolts later, and out they come, which gives me easy access to the huge amount of straw in here, which I'll first gather up the big pieces by hand, as I don't want to end up clogging my vacuum trying to suck it up. Okay, well, moving to the back where all the straw is, and unfortunately for me, the carpet in this Toyota is one tiny notch better than the really cheap Velcro stuff, so getting every little piece of straw and dog hair out is definitely going to be a challenge today. Now with 3 of the 4 seats in the vehicle looking like this, vacuuming wasn't a lot of fun today. The combo of the type of dog hair and fabric made it really challenging to get all the hair out, as it was just super embedded in the seats. Sometimes it comes out incredibly easy, and others, it takes a lot of patience to get them perfect. In the case of these seats, each one took a solid 20 minutes to vacuum, and overall, vacuuming took 3.5 hours today. Here's the half bucket full of dirty water pulled from the RAV4 today. Gross. One area that can't be overlooked is the pedals, and for that I'll switch over to the stiffer brush attachment as it gets down into the little grooves better, and in a lot of cases the dirt is really stuck in there, but hitting it with steam is the real key, so if anyone has ever considered picking up a steamer, well, I can assure you, you won't regret it. They work incredibly well and are a ton of fun to use. The link to the one I use is down in the description for you. Okay, to tackle all this really dirty glass, I'm first spraying on some of my Detail Geek glass cleaner directly onto a waffle weave towel, which avoids any overspray or drips, and it doesn't take more than a few seconds and the glass is perfectly clean and streak free.
Wow. I would say it hasn't been that shiny in a long time.
Yeah, it's looking good.
It's amazing. Can we look inside?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. That's where most of the work was. So.
Oh, wow.
I feel like so much better
Yeah.
now because I was afraid to put a baby in there.
Yeah, oh yeah, for sure. Looking good now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well,
Thank you
I
so
don't know
much.
who wants these, but
She'll try it out.
okay, here you go. Enjoy it.